Okay, so I'm back. I looked for a few other scraps. So that little paper that had the Santa Claus on it, it also has stripes on the back. So that's where I found these little, those, because the paper was reversible. So I just added, you can fill in as much or as little of the background as you want. It just depends if you want to make it kind of look super festive and have some motion to it, or whether or not you just want to keep it simple and minimalistic. So that's really just a style thing. But I really like this card. I think one of the kids who are in the Angel card project will really appreciate this card. There's some kids that have suffered bullying this year. So I think this card would just be perfect for that. So again, enjoy. Get out your scraps if you have any, or after the holidays, after Christmas, maybe save some and make some cards for next year. Bye.